It's not just a box. It's a treasure of emotions. A feeling of that skipped heartbeat. An expression of unconditional love. And we at Cera are also bringing to you a box that'll give you and your customers the widest smile. Presenting Unboxing Smiles, a new range of products that will unbox modern living, unbox style, unbox functionality, unbox customers' expectations. So, let the unboxing begin. The epitome of luxury, comfort, and refined taste is what we call modern living. Perfect curves, breathtaking soft and straight line designs. That's what style is all about. Best-in-class products that last a lifetime and designs that inspire. Here's presenting functionality. Small-sized basins for homes where spaces are small but dreams are big. New irresistible designer collection of sanitary ware and single-lever faucets. That's how we meet customers' expectations. And it doesn't end here. In the future, we'll be unboxing again. We'll be unboxing smiles again.